You know why I'm smiling? Because these triplets were born last night, and this little one was not breathing, and it took us forever to get her to breathe. And after that, she was just laying and twitching. She couldn't sit up, she couldn't stand, she couldn't suck. And we rubbed molasses on her gums, and we stayed up all night trying to help her. I got a little bit of milk in her, went to bed at 7 a.m. And at 9 a.m. I came out here, and she's walking, and she's eating, and she's alive. And I in no way thought she was going to survive. So that's a miracle. And this is Stitch's 4th set of triplets. 2 girls and a boy. And they are absolutely the tiniest little babies we have ever had on our homestead. And she's such a good mama.